So for me, you can't really put a price on that. That is something that it's a talent that you have. That you have the ability to make me feel comfortable, even when stuff got bumpy, which that didn't happen often. But and I thank you for that.
You're welcome. And thank you as well for acknowledging that. I mean, like I said, I know how difficult the process is with ourselves through it, and I'll try my level best with all the clients we have to give them sort of bespoke, hand-on experience and reduce the stress, and also give you sort of like an interview prep session for
Yes.
questions you might get asked and how not to be nervous and how to conduct yourself on the interview process, right? And I thank you for acknowledging. Many people underestimate the complexity of immigration in Mexico in general, or in any other country out there. What stood out to you about our service at Ella? Because we handle it step-by-step process.
So the door-to-door service stood out because it's not only that like I got picked up and I got taken to the consulate. It was the coaching. It was like the handling of the documentation. It's the actual prep before you walk in, like the pre-interview, things to expect, things that might not be normal, things to look for. It was the details that really stood out, like that extra above and beyond that stood out.
Appreciate
One
it.
of the things I really like is that we sat down and made a plan, had a timetable. We did a lot of things. Talked about what type of house I wanted. We talked about the areas, the zones, what is best, what can get me a return on my investment. We talked about a whole range of things that I needed to feel comfortable about investing in Mexico. So beyond just the residency and just the visa, you are invaluable. Your services are invaluable.